Hey, I got something great to share with you guys. Let me give you as much value as I can. I'm gonna share a little bit of what's the best way you can find your guy to your home renovation. So this is the simple step. So first thing is, once we meet the client, we really have an open, honest conversation, understand why or what makes you to want to do this renovation. What's important for you? What's your dreams? How do you use the space? Once we fully understand on that and understand your vision, then from there we can talk about time frame. We can talk about budget. What clients in the past have invested in something like this. From there, understand your needs, your vision, what you're hoping to accomplish on this project. Then we can come back and create a detailed proposal. So very much start the design process, and from there we can create a detailed proposal. Very much put everything on it, line by line, make sure everything you want on this project, it's in that scope of work. From there, we can start the process of getting permits, order material, and once all that's done, we can start the project. Once the project goes over, I'm pretty sure you hear about this, there's things we don't see it and we find it inside the walls, behind the walls. Like, I don't want to scare you guys, but sometimes the siding is leaking, you have issues behind the walls. Sometimes the bathroom has been leaking, you have a floor joist needs to be replaced. So how we address those type of situations, or how you should address, is that we usually have ask permission for homeowners to be open and honest through the entire process. So at the same time, if for some reason we ask clients that for some reason you feel that we're not meeting your expectations, just tap us on the shoulder, say, hey Freddie, you guys are not doing great here. You guys gotta get together. So giving that permission to have an open, honest conversation during the entire renovation, I think is important, so you guys can have a smooth, nice, great experience during renovation. At the end, just making sure that the contractor will understand your vision, your needs, will align with time frame, will align with your budget. At the end, really understand that we have a clear path where we want to be. So clear understanding of the entire process, I think, is very important for you guys, so you guys can have a successful project. Like in this case, we are about to finish this project, but that's what it looks like.